Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk vitamin C serum. Today I will tell you about 4 vitamin C serums. Which one are you using? Get your vitamin C checked. If you like this vitamin C, buy it. Vitamin C is very important for the skin. Watch video and share. Let's start with first vitamin C serum. 5% vitamin C daily face serum with ferulic acid multivitamin 30 milliliters. Product description. Elevate your skincare routine with our 5% vitamin C daily face serum. Formulated with a potent blend of antioxidants, this serum features 5% vitamin C to brighten and even out your skin tone. Enhanced with ferulic acid, it boosts the effectiveness of vitamin C, providing superior protection against environmental damage. Key ingredients. 5% vitamin C ascorbic acid helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and enhances skin radiance. Ferulic acid stabilizes vitamin C and increases its photoprotective properties, ensuring your skin is shielded from UV damage. Multivitamin complex, a blend of essential vitamins including vitamin E and B5 nourishes and revitalizes the skin. Benefits. Skin illumination, visibly brightens the complexion and promotes a healthy, radiant glow. Antioxidant protection, defends against free radicals and environmental aggressors. Even skin tone, reduces the appearance of dark spots and discoloration for a more uniform complexion. Hydration nourishment, provides essential nutrients to keep skin hydrated and supple. Cleanse, start with a clean face. Use a gentle cleanser to remove impurities. Apply serum, dispense a few drops of the serum onto your fingertips and gently pat onto the face and neck. Avoid the eye area. Follow with moisturizer. Once the serum has absorbed, apply your favorite moisturizer. Daily use. Use every morning for best results. Follow with a broad-spectrum sunscreen during the day. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Packaging. 30 milliliters bottle with a dropper for easy application. Incorporate this serum into your daily skincare routine to achieve a brighter, more luminous complexion. Now let's talk about other serums. Derma Co 10% vitamin C face serum. 10% vitamin C face serum with 5% niacinamide hyaluronic acid 30 milliliters. Product overview. This potent face serum combines the powerful benefits of vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to provide a comprehensive skincare solution. Designed to improve the overall texture and appearance of your skin, this serum is ideal for daily use. Vitamin C 10%. Brightening, helps to even out skin tone by reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Antioxidant protection, neutralizes free radicals to prevent premature aging and environmental damage. Collagen boosting, stimulates collagen production for firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Niacinamide 5%. Anti-inflammatory, reduces redness and blotchiness, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Pore minimizing, helps to regulate oil production and minimize the appearance of pores. Barrier, strengthening, enhances the skin's barrier function, retaining moisture and protecting against external aggressors. Hyaluronic acid, deep hydration, attracts and retains moisture, providing intense hydration to the skin. Plumping effect, smooths out fine lines and wrinkles by plumping the skin from within. Skin soothing, calms and soothes irritated or sensitive skin. How to use. Cleanse, start with a clean face, using your preferred cleanser. Apply, dispense a few drops of the serum onto your fingertips. Massage, gently massage the serum into your face and neck, using upward and outward motions. Moisturize, follow with your favorite moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Protect, for daytime use, always apply sunscreen as the final step in your skincare routine. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive, oily, and combination skin. Those looking to improve skin tone, texture, and hydration. Individuals aiming to reduce signs of aging, such as fine lines and dark spots. Product details. Volume, 30 milliliters. Packaging, comes in a dark amber glass bottle. This serum is a game changer. My pores look smaller, and my skin feels firmer. I love how lightweight it feels on my skin. Perfect addition to my skincare routine. Conclusion. The 10% vitamin C face serum with 5% niacinamide hyaluronic acid offers a powerful blend of ingredients to rejuvenate and protect your skin. Regular use promises a brighter, more even complexion, and a hydrated, youthful glow. Now let's talk about the third serum, minimalist 10% vitamin C serum. This serum has this formula 3.0 ethyl ascorbic acid Centella asiatica. Gluconolactone. It is just like water. It is not sticky. If you are using 5% sim, then you can use this too. It has these 3 formulas. Formula 3.0 ethyl ascorbic acid Centella asiatica. For your skin, it's very mild, very gentle. For skin, there is no chance of irritation. Oily skin type, dry skin type, sensitive skin type. Minimalist 10% vitamin C serum you can use even if you are a beginner. You can start. Now it's time to talk about the fourth serum. Minimalist 16% Vitamin C Serum. A minimalist 16% vitamin C serum is designed to offer potent antioxidant benefits, enhance skin brightness, and improve overall skin tone with streamlined formulation. Here are the key features and considerations for such a serum. Vitamin C ascorbic acid. At a higher concentration of 16%, it offers enhanced skin brightening, anti-aging, and protective benefits. Ferulic acid, included to stabilize vitamin C and boost its effectiveness. Vitamin E tocopherol, works synergistically with vitamin C to enhance its antioxidant properties. Hyaluronic acid, adds hydration, helping the skin retain moisture and enhancing overall skin texture. Minimal preservatives, to ensure product efficacy while minimizing the risk of irritation, such as phenoxyethanol. The brightening helps to reduce hyperpigmentation and even out skin tone. Anti-aging, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidant protection, shields skin from environmental damage such as UV rays and pollution. Patch test first. Always patch test new skincare products to avoid adverse reactions. Use in the morning. Apply in the morning to maximize its photoprotective properties. Follow with sunscreen. Sunscreen is crucial when using vitamin C serums to protect against sun damage. Cleanser, use a gentle, non-foaming cleanser. Toner, optional, for added hydration and to prep the skin. Vitamin C serum, apply a few drops to clean, dry skin. Moisturizer, follow with a hydrating moisturizer. Sunscreen, finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen SPF 100 or higher. Choosing a minimalist 16% vitamin C serum can provide your skin with powerful antioxidant protection and brightening benefits without unnecessary additives, making it suitable for a variety of skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. Use as directed by your dermatologist. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel, watch video, and share. I have made more videos about vitamin C products. You can also watch them. This is a vitamin C product.